Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily charts, can see that it is still in a consolidation period, but we do see some kind of spike or rather increase of candle movement, market movement in the last week. All right, so this is what we have, and previously Thursday and Friday, that is a very near to the US holiday, the Independence Day. So having a doji is kind of normal, but we will see what happens once the market open. All right, so down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, this is what we have over here: a break and close below the previous low, show weakening of the market movement. But because of that, we have a spike recently, as you can see on the daily chart. So right now, moving this dollar yen into a bullish trend setting, all right, on the 4-hour chart. But overall, on the daily is still although it's trendless, but later I'll share with you what I've seen. All right, so on the 1-hour chart, the market went into consolidation, and you can see the band started contracts, and that is because of Friday holiday in the States. Back to the daily, let me share with you my analysis over here. Okay, so this is the line I want to share with you, 10787. You can see that if you even scroll back to quite some time back, and this line pretty much determined the buy zone and the sell zone over here. Not 100%, as you can see over here, but if you follow the rules of candles confirmation and stuff like that, these are the trades that you will not engage. Bearish and bearish movement closing. Some of you might want to see a further confirmation before you short, while you start to see a retracement back up. And even if you short it, you place your stop over here. Okay, this is the previous high with buffer. Chances that it come close to your stop and start to reverse and hit your profit level as well. So it really depends on your trade rules and stuff like that, but this is definitely the line, 10787. I am watching very, very closely, and for weeks I've been sharing that if the market hit back up to 10787, I'll observe how the candle close over here, and we have a bearish engulfing followed by the doji. All right, so if I retest back up, give me a shorting opportunity, that would be great. If not, I'll be watching closely for any other shorting opportunity. And down to the 4-hour, we have a bearish shark. How good is that? At 10942, if you have observed, is higher than the perfect selling area, which is 10787 that I was looking at. Let's see how it goes. All right, and on the 1-hour chart, a much lower level, but it's still higher than 10787. Bearish bad pattern, 10807. All right, so what can happen on the 1-hour chart? It is possible for the market to hit up over here, having a confirmation for me to short it, but based off the daily, before the daily candle close, we might see a long wick that happen. All right, so that's how the candle form, correct? So if you like to know my move on the trades, just scan this QR code over here and join our community. You get to interact with all our traders over here. All right, in the chat room, it really depends on what kind of membership you have, and it opens up how many chat room you can be involved in. All right, so in the community chat is open for all. We discuss mainly on news and stuff like that. And if you scroll down further, you'll get to see these online education courses. Once again, it depends on your membership rights. And over here, we share the trade ideas with our subscriber based on your membership rights as well. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. Don't trade alone, and let's do it together while everyone can benefit from it. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon.